Hi, I'm Dr. Minor Ross. I'm a neurosurgeon at MU Healthcare. I was inspired to become a doctor because my father was a neurosurgeon, actually. So I grew up watching him go to work hard, help people, but ultimately come home at the end of the day very satisfied with the work he had done. And I wanted to be in a career like that. As I progressed through medical school and training, I realized that I wanted to do the exact same thing. And that's exactly where I ended up. I do a pretty broad variety of neurosurgery, but my expertise in what's called skull-based surgery. So that's surgery around the very base of the skull, the base of the brain, the arteries and the nerves that are involved there. It's some of the most intricate and delicate anatomy that we have anywhere in the human body, and it often requires multidisciplinary surgery. We collaborate with ophthalmologists, ENT, radiation oncologists, and other specialists to get the surgery done, and that's what I really enjoy about it. Medicine really is a team sport. As a neurosurgeon, I have a particular set of skills that I can help patients with, but I can't do it without the support of other specialists. All of these people are essential to achieving the outcomes for our patients. My real strength as a doctor is being thoughtful. Every patient comes to us with unique circumstances. We have to think about not only what the problem is and how to deal with it in a medical, surgical manner, but we have to think about the patient themselves, what their hopes are for their treatment, their expectations, what they want to get back to when they're done recovering from their surgery. It takes all of that to really be successful. I like to travel a lot. I travel internationally with my wife pretty frequently. We've been to 5 continents. The list of places we want to go is a lot longer than the list of places we've been, but I think it should always be that way. It inspires curiosity and lets you learn about different cultures and foods and other interesting things about the world. At home, I spend a lot of time outside. We hike and camp regularly, and I maintain a garden. I really enjoy planting things in the ground in the spring and then pulling food out of the ground later. It's one of the more rewarding things you can do with, at home, but it also teaches you a little bit about patience and hard work. People should come to MU Healthcare because we have the multidisciplinary specialists to take care of just about every problem they encounter. With the addition of a few new neurosurgeons here, including myself, we can take care of all of the most complicated neurosurgical issues without sending patients to a bigger city hours away.